With the anticipated changes in the curriculum from old to new, here is the new TOS, or Table of Specifications for the Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers or LEPT, effective March 2023 examinations. This new TOS is based on the Philippines Qualifications Framework Level 6.
This presentation will give you the enhanced table of specifications for secondary examinees taking values education as their field of specialization.
The total number of items will still be 150 just the same.
With regards to the difficulty level of the values education majorship exams, easy questions will have comprised the 30% of the exams are equivalent to 45 points. The largest volume, which is 50% or equivalent to 75 points of the items, will be coming from the moderate questions. And the difficult questions will consist of 30 points or equivalent to 20%. This will make a total of 150 points. In terms of the distribution of items or points in the Bloom's taxonomy, remember will be 22 points. Understand will be 23 points. Apply will be 75 points. Analyze will be 15 points. Evaluate will have 8 points and create will have 7 points. The topics and components will be composed of two main categories, which are the following: A. Intellectual competencies, such as foundations of values education, personhood development and transformative education, constitute 51% or equivalent to 76 points. And B. Professional skills development that composes work ethics, teaching approaches and strategies, and research and evaluation will comprise 49% of the total items or equivalent to 74 points. Let us enumerate the different competencies on each component topic. Let's start with A. Intellectual competencies. 1. Foundations of values education. 1.1. Manifest understanding of the nature of the human persons and their hierarchy of values. 1.2. Show the ability to analyze various aspects with Filipino values. And 1.3. Relate relevant psychological principles with Filipino values. 2. Personhood development. 2.1. Distinguish between intra- and interpersonal relations. 2.2. Clarify moral issues in contemporary family life. And 2.3. Demonstrate the ability to achieve self-understanding as the key to a successful teaching career. 3. Transformative education. 3.1. Analyze the Filipino value system. 3.2. Balance human rights and responsible citizenship. 3.3. Relate peace, gender equality, conservation of the environment and other global issues. B. Professional skills development. 1. Work ethics. 1.1. Focus on career development. 1.2. Integrate community service in teaching. And 1.3. Analyze the impact of information technology in the workplace. 2. Teaching approaches and strategies. 2.1. Emphasize the importance of teacher-planned and teacher-prepared instructional devices. 2.2. Identify ways of integrating values in teaching. And 2.3. Identify strategies to bridge the gap between theory and practice. And 3. Research and evaluation. 3.1. Data gathering techniques. 3.2. Assessment tools in values education. And 3.3. Action research methods. With these new set of table of specifications, I hope everyone who will be taking the licensure examinations come March 2023 will be guided accordingly. Comprehensive and holistic preparations are necessary to secure the much dreamed about LPT PIN and PRC license card as a professional teacher in the Philippines. If in case you missed the enhanced TOS or new table of specifications for general education and professional education for both elementary and secondary, please check the description of this video for the links for direction. Kindly share this information to your colleagues under the new curriculum, who are also aspiring to get their license. Please be guided accordingly.
Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving, please do click the like, subscribe and get notified buttons.